Hello, everyone. Today we'll be discussing the importance of cybersecurity in the government sector. With the rapid growth of technology and the internet, the government has become more reliant on digital systems and services. This has led to a higher risk of cyber attacks, which can put national security and the well-being of the citizens at risk. Cybersecurity is an essential component of maintaining the safety and integrity of critical infrastructure in the government sector. By implementing strong security measures and staying vigilant against cyber threats, we can protect our nation's data and ensure the continued operation of essential services. Cybersecurity in the government sector plays a crucial role in safeguarding vital information, infrastructure, and assets. It involves the application of various security measures and technologies to protect against unauthorized access, theft, damage, or disruption of data and systems. The government sector has become more reliant on technology and interconnected systems. This has led to a significant increase in the risk of cyber attacks, which can have far-reaching consequences. From espionage to data breaches, cyber threats can put sensitive information at risk and disrupt the functioning of government agencies and services. One of the main reasons for the importance of cybersecurity in the government sector is the vast amount of sensitive information it handles. This includes personal data, financial information, and military secrets, among others. Any breach in cybersecurity can lead to identity theft, financial losses, and strategic damage to the nation. In recent years, cyber threats have become more sophisticated and complex. Hackers are constantly looking for ways to exploit new vulnerabilities in systems, and the government sector is no exception. That's why it's essential to stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity best practices and technologies. Another critical aspect of government cybersecurity is collaboration between agencies. By sharing threat intelligence and working together to combat cyber threats, organizations can build a more resilient and robust security posture. To achieve effective cybersecurity, the government needs to invest in strong cybersecurity infrastructure, including cybersecurity policies, regulations, and a skilled workforce. It also requires a comprehensive cybersecurity risk management approach that considers all potential threats and vulnerabilities. In conclusion, cybersecurity is of paramount importance in the government sector. It must be implemented at all levels, from the smallest agencies to the highest levels of government. By doing so, the government can protect its vital information, infrastructure, and assets from potential cyber threats. Only through a united effort and a commitment to the highest standards of cybersecurity can the government sector safeguard the nation's digital future.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about generating natural language responses using generative AI. Generative AI, also known as machine learning algorithms, is designed to mimic the human process of generating language, thought, and communication. The world of generative AI is rapidly expanding, and it has the potential to change the way we communicate, learn, and interact with each other. As this technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what other amazing things it might do. One of the main uses of generative AI in conversation is in chatbots. Chatbots are interactive software programs that can engage in conversation with users, often through text messages. By learning from user interactions, chatbots can provide personalized and relevant responses, making the user experience more engaging and efficient. Generative AI is also being used in the realms of speech synthesis and voice acting. By using AI algorithms to analyze and understand a speaker's voice characteristics, generative AI can then create synthetic voices that sound increasingly natural. But how do generative AI algorithms work? They do this by analyzing a large amount of data related to language and communication patterns. The algorithm then learns how to produce meaningful and contextually relevant responses based on this data. Over time, as the algorithm continues to learn and adapt, it becomes better at generating responses that are both coherent and appropriate for various contexts. There are two main approaches to generating natural language responses: reinforcement learning and transformer models. Reinforcement learning uses a reward function to evaluate the response's quality, and then adjusts the model's parameters to produce better responses. Transformer models, on the other hand, are deep learning models that can be trained end-to-end, meaning that the entire response is generated simultaneously with the input. Another exciting use case for generative AI is in the field of content creation. For instance, you can use generative AI to create realistic images, videos, or text that might not be possible with traditional editing tools. This could be particularly useful for content creators who want to add a unique touch to their content, without having to hire a professional graphic designer or writer. In conclusion, generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and interact with technology. By learning from human language and communication patterns, generative AI can provide responses that are not only coherent and relevant, but also appropriate for various contexts. As chatbots continue to advance, we can expect to see an increase in personalized, efficient, and engaging communication experiences. Hi there. Today, I'm going to talk about an exciting topic: generating art using deep learning. In recent years, deep learning has made significant strides in various fields, including image recognition, natural language processing, and music generation. Now, it's time to explore how this technology is being applied to create art. Deep learning enables us to push the boundaries of what is possible when it comes to generating art. From realistic images and videos to unique and captivating pieces, deep learning has the potential to revolutionize the art world and create new forms of expression that we may not have imagined possible. Picture this: a machine learning algorithm is fed a vast collection of artistic works, and with time, it starts to learn the characteristics of great art. It then analyzes and processes the data, identifying patterns and trends that define beautiful art. Soon, the algorithm is able to create its own pieces of art, exhibiting unique characteristics and styles. This process is called generative adversarial network scans, a type of deep learning algorithm that involves two neural networks: a generator and a discriminator. The generator is responsible for creating fake images, while the discriminator attempts to differentiate between real and fake images. Through a series of iterations, the generator and discriminator learn to work together, improving the quality of the generated images. One of the most exciting applications of deep learning in the generation of art is in the realm of virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR). By using deep learning, artists can create realistic and immersive visual experiences that are not possible with traditional rendering techniques. Art has always been a critical aspect of human culture, and over the years, people have been trying to create algorithms that can generate art. However, this has never been fully achieved due to the complex nature of art, which is subjective and highly individual. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have the power to generate art that is not only visually appealing, but also emotionally resonant and thought-provoking. By constantly analyzing and learning from a vast collection of artistic works, machine learning can create new and unique styles, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. On the other hand, artistic style transfer uses deep learning to mimic the style and brushstrokes of an artist. This can be particularly useful for recreating famous artworks or creating new, unique pieces. The technique involves fine-tuning a deep neural network to recognize and understand the specific style of an artist, then using that understanding to generate new artwork with that style. In conclusion, generating art using deep learning is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of deep learning in the world of art and creativity.
Hello everyone. Today, we will be discussing the importance of cybersecurity for e-commerce websites. With the increasing use of the internet for shopping and transactions, e-commerce websites have become an integral part of our daily lives. It is crucial for these websites to ensure the safety and security of their users' data and information. Cybersecurity is of utmost importance for e-commerce websites. By implementing strong security measures and practices, businesses can protect their sensitive data and customer information from cyber threats. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry in this digital world. First, let's understand what cybersecurity is. Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and sensitive information from unauthorized access, theft, damage, or disruption. It is essential for e-commerce websites to protect their data, including customer information, payment details, and order history, from potential threats like cyber attacks, data breaches, and malware. One of the major concerns is data breaches, where hackers gain unauthorized access to customer information. To prevent data breaches, e-commerce websites must implement strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and regular security audits. One of the key aspects of e-commerce cybersecurity is securing the website's infrastructure. This includes regularly updating software and hardware, using strong passwords, and implementing two-factor authentication for access to sensitive areas of the website. Additionally, it is important to ensure that all links on the website are encrypted, and that the website is served from a secure location, such as a private network or a cloud service with strong security measures. Another crucial aspect of e-commerce cybersecurity is protecting the user's data during the checkout process. This can be achieved by using secure payment gateways that transmit sensitive information through encrypted channels. Furthermore, e-commerce websites should offer customer support for addressing any security concerns and providing guidance on how to protect their accounts against potential threats. One of the critical aspects of e-commerce website cybersecurity is securing the website's infrastructure. This includes securing the hosting environment, using strong passwords and SSL certificates for secure communication, and regularly updating software and plugins. In conclusion, e-commerce websites face unique challenges in terms of cybersecurity, and it is essential for them to take all necessary precautions to protect their users' data and information. By investing in robust infrastructure, secure payment methods, and strong customer support, e-commerce businesses can create a safe and trustworthy online shopping experience for their customers.